Sustainability, of course, is a key issue. All designers should be thinking about it because everything we touch really can have an impact on the world. And I think also, the design of more plastic parts and products in the world, unless you think through that carefully, are they really required? So that's definitely one of the things I've noticed is there was too many products and really questioning why is that a solution. If there is a piece of software as well that can do that and come up and solve the same problem, then I would probably vote for the software.
So sustainability is a huge topic at the moment, and it's a label and it's a buzzword, and really we've been looking for something that's intrinsically sustainable. So for me, that's about removing the word. And is the project light? Has it a lightness of touch? Does it use less materials? Is it timeless? Is it something that's really a tool for how we live now and how we can live better?
Sustainability and design should work side by side. We are designer, we are not destroyer. We are creator who help and then support the sustainability of the earth, not to consume it in just a few years and let the rest of the generation finish.
We've definitely seen examples where hardware and software are being combined into creating a much more holistic solution, more like a system thinking. And one of the things that we've seen as well, though, is people sometimes have a tendency to design the apps or the more software side of that service without really the same level of detailing that we might find in a product. So I think it's great that we've started to see that happen, but it still needs a little bit more work and thinking through.
Design is not just the skin. It's more about the functionality, the sustainability, how it works with people, how it works with the environment, and everything.
Too often you see apps and the user interaction of a product is overdone, unnecessary, superfluous. And I think some of the most interesting projects here will really taking back the noise, bringing forward the most important elements, and if that's an app or if that's an analog component, that's what I've been looking for.
One of the things I've noticed from this competition is several entries have done what I would call tech for tech's sake. Coming up with solutions where huge amounts of technology are pushed at a problem, but I question whether it's really creating a solution. And just because technology can do stuff does not necessarily mean you should use it. So you really have to have a clarity around why you're inserting technology into a product in the first place. And I really recommend people think about that carefully in the next competition.
I believe it is a pathway for us to learn, and very soon people will know how to choose. And those who just design for designing will go immediately, and then those who really works and support a good living sustain.